In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Stripe account to n8n. This is an essential step for automating your workflows and making the most out of Stripe's capabilities through n8n. So let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to your Stripe dashboard. Open your web browser and navigate to the Stripe website. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your account dashboard. This is your home base for managing everything related to your Stripe account. Now that you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll find a gear icon there. This is the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a variety of options that allow you to customize your Stripe account settings. Next, you need to find the developer section. In the settings menu, look for the option marked Developer. Clicking on this will take you to a new page dedicated to developer options, which is crucial for our task today. Once you're on the developer page, the next step is to manage your API settings. Look for a link or button that says Manage API. Click on it and this will bring you to the API management area. This is where you can generate and view your API keys, which are vital for connecting your Stripe account to n8n. Now, here's the important part: finding your API keys. On the API management page, you'll see two types of keys. The first is your publishable key, which is typically used for front-end operations. The second is your secret key, which you'll use for back-end processes. Both of these keys are essential for connecting your Stripe account with n8n. Make sure to handle these keys with care, especially the secret key. It's important to keep it secure and never share it publicly, as it grants access to sensitive operations within your Stripe account. With your API keys in hand, you're ready to proceed to n8n. In your n8n application, go to the Credentials section and select the option to Add New Credentials for Stripe. You'll be prompted to enter your publishable and secret keys here. Input your keys carefully, double-checking to ensure there are no errors. Once you've entered both keys, save your settings. If everything is correct, n8n will now be able to interact with your Stripe account, allowing you to automate your payment workflows seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your Stripe account to n8n, opening up a world of automation possibilities. Make sure to explore the various workflows you can now create and enjoy the enhanced efficiency in managing your Stripe transactions. Thanks for watching and happy automating.